Hey guys, it's Rose. Welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. I am back with another amazing recipe for you guys. Today I am making fried lobster. Yes, you guys. This recipe is the most easiest recipe I've ever done, and it's so good. It's the most succulent fried lobster you'll ever had. If you're interested on seeing how it's done, stay tuned. And also, if you are new here, I am gently asking you, please hit the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I upload videos. Without further ado, let's get started with this recipe. Alright guys, let's get started. I am using 2 lobster tails. I cut them straight in the back. You can use scissors for that. Just cut it straight in the back. And then I will be pulling out the lobster meat off the shell. Not all the way, but just to pull it out a little bit. I am leaving the shell for presentation basically. Or you can just remove it all the way and fry it just like that by itself. So basically how to remove it is use 2 of your fingers. Just like I am doing right now, just use 2 of your fingers, pull it out a little bit, just like so. Once you're done removing the meat, there's the vein right here. Make sure you remove that. And that is it for the lobster. And I will be repeating the same steps for the other lobster tail. Now after I am done removing the lobster meat of the lobster shell, I did went ahead and clean it with some lime juice, just a little bit. You don't really have to do it if you don't want to do it. It's just smelling a little fishy to me. Now for the spices that I am using, all the name will be down below. Just to give you guys a quick idea, I am using Cajun seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Okay, what I am going to do now is just sprinkle the seasoning all over the lobster meat. Once I am done sprinkling all my seasoning, all my spices all over the lobster, I am going to make sure I get the back of it as well, so the entire lobster can taste delicious. And also I left the lobster to sit for about 5 minutes, I will say, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Or you can just move on right ahead. Once you're done, it should look a little bit like this. I let it sit for about 5 minutes and we're going to move on. I am using a shrimp and fish fry mix. It's a breading basically. I am going to pour it in this container right here. I actually used the whole bag, which was more than enough. So I don't suggest you use the whole bag. Now we're going to drench the lobster tail in the breading. Now you can use your hand for that. Make sure you sprinkle it all over the lobster meat. And I also use my hand to squeeze the breading on the lobster. If you guys watch my fried shrimp video, it came out so nice and like a restaurant style type of fried food. So that's why I like to kind of squeeze the flour on there. I'll give it a nice texture. And make sure every part of the lobster tail has the breading, okay? Now I am going to move on to the other one. Basically, I am going to be doing the same thing I did for the first one. Once you're done, make sure you give it a quick shake so you can remove any excess flour on there, and then we're going to fry it. The temperature that I am using is 350. I will be frying each of them for about 7 to 10 minutes, okay? And once they're done, this is how they supposed to look like. They should look nice and crispy, just like this. Yes. It looks so good and so yummy, and it tastes so good, you guys. You just need to give it a try and see if you like it. It was really delicious. And you can top it off with some Be Lovely sauce. It'll go well with that. And if you need a recipe, I will leave Be Lovely sauce recipe down below if you guys interested. And also I have a fried shrimp video which I will leave down below as well. And let me know what else you guys want me to fry, like fried fish, fried shrimp, fried lobster, fried, I don't know, anything else you want me to fry. Let me know down below. I really appreciate you guys for watching, and you guys would just hit 30,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, you guys, for subscribe. Thank you. And yeah, thank you for watching this beautiful video. Let me know if you're going to give it a try, and thumbs up. That's the most important step. Thumbs up the video. And I will see you guys later. Bye.